What is going on, everyone? I'm gonna make a video today, a little project that I've been thinking about for a while. I've already made one in the past, but like a birdhouse. I went and invested $25 this morning. I was gonna see how much I could make selling these little guys with $25, obviously, and then I think I'm gonna be able to 5 times my money. So I'm gonna film myself building one or two. I've already pre-cut everything at home. I didn't film because I was trying to beat the rain. The only thing that this place is missing is power, and yeah, well, that's all right though. I love this place. If we had power, I could have done everything here, but I cut all my pieces at home, threw them in the truck, and then brought them here, and then I'm just gonna relax and build some stuff. Yep, there you go. Alright, it's not perfect, but took me about, actually I don't even know how long it took me to build. Maybe 20 minutes. It's not perfect, it's my first one ever, but I need to get a little eraser and get some of these lines out. I also went and painted my my workbench black the other day, just because I thought it looks cool, but now it's it's coming off onto the wood that I'm these birdhouses is starting to show on the wood, so I'm gonna have to sand them down, and I'm gonna go home and grab a piece of plywood that's not painted, and I'm gonna put it on here when I do carpentry, just because yeah, it's nice when it looks clean and stuff. But yeah, this is that's it, my little project for the weekend. There you go. Put down some paper towel for the second one. Should keep it a lot cleaner than the first one. And yeah, I'll keep this one for myself. Throw it in the backyard. Yeah. Alright, here's number 2. Also not perfect, but they're not meant to be perfect. Oh, I forgot to put the little pin here, and then she'll be done. But yeah, I got 4 more to do. Build 6 altogether, and I was thinking to sell them $20, $20 each, 25. I'm not sure. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, it's gonna look sick. There's gonna be 6 of them right there. Yeah, well, thanks for watching. I'm obviously not gonna film me building all the other 4s because it gets pretty repetitive, but here's 2 of them. If anybody's got any questions and or want the dimensions or whatever, I'll probably write them in the description. And yeah, if you build some, send me a photo or something, let me know what they look like, and it'd be cool. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.